Hey guys, it's Corey here. I thought I'd just do a quick demo of a CRM project that I started here, and I wanted to let you know that for starters, this has not been an easy project, but at the same time, you know, this is what I've got accomplished over a few days of work, and so yeah, I just thought I'd show you kind of how it looks there. So to start out, this is the dashboard, and it's got a backend database there using PostgreSQL. Um, there's a few buttons here. You got like reports, analysis, marketplace, and you can search and so on. And they're collapsible buttons too as well, which is nice. Down here you get your profile, your notifications, your calendar, and you can add some other feature as well there. So I haven't got it fully finished, but I wanted to show you like how some of the tables would look and so on there, and how you can work with them and so on there. So if you have a list of contacts here, as you can see, you've got all of the headers in the table. If you're doing leads and so on there, you can design how you want to list the lead. You can score them, and you can organize and sort as well, like by their alphabetic, their names and so on. And you can also, like for me as a like I do freight brokering, so I'm just trying to um, design one where you can have a company's table as well, so that way you can kind of distinguish between whether or not you're talking to a company and you're not sure who you're talking to yet, and you can have a person's table as well there for you, for that company as well. And so that's basically how that looks. You can edit the table and go through. You can select. There's different things that you can do. And there's certain things that you can't do as well there that it won't let you. It'll force you to have to, like for revenue, for example, there is in a different section, so that won't be something that you manipulate in this section for contacts. So you've got status here, and you can see what kind of, how you want to label them, whether they're a prospect, a customer, partner. If they're in an industry type that you want to focus in on. So you've got quite a number of options and so on there. You can list with country, if they're in a state, and so on. So it's a nice little setup there, and you can add, if you want to add a person, you want to add a company, and so on. You can go through and do the add. We don't need to do the add, so let's go back to the contacts table. And you can also filter as well, and you can filter out these contacts based on like your search. If there's a lead status that you want to look for in particular company type or an industry, you can do that as well. So that's basically like the main part that I've focused in on so far. You've also got a pipeline here. So you've got deal name, so like it's basically who you're dealing with. In if you got like any kind of deals going on, I would say that it's similar to like you're prospecting your customer for a quote, and at what stage you're at as well. This is used for the Kanban view, and you can list out your closing dates and so on. And you got your Kanban view here in your list. This is your list view we're in right now, and you can look at your Kanban view and you can see what part of the stage of the pipeline that you're trying to move them into, from qualification to needs analysis to value proposition to identify decision makers, etc., all the way across to close won, close lost, and so on. And should be able to, yeah, you can just drag them across there. If I wanted to, so I can just drag it back over here and so on. Yeah, you have to go to the list view in order to be able to edit them. You can edit your table as to whether or not you want to have what stage of the pipeline, and I don't know if you can do the filtering on that, but yeah, I think you might be able to. So yeah, that's then you got marketing campaigns. So this is probably where I'm at right now in terms of that, and I haven't got any reports yet done up, so I know those aren't done yet. Calendar and the profile there, it's still needing to be done, but you can sign out and so on. But I like this feature where you could click on dashboard, and this can close, and you can close it again, so that way you don't have to have that sticking out while you're working on your tables or so on. If, like, for example, you're in contacts, you can kind of just go like that and see more of your table, which is nice. And yeah, so that's pretty much it there for our CRM so far. And I just wanted to show like how quickly we can build it. It is challenging, but it's like, you know, they're not too hard. Like, I mean, timeline wise, this is going pretty quick. And yeah, so that's just another demo here to show you guys what we're capable of here, and what we can build out for companies that are looking to create large databases and complex ones, and make them look real nice, and so on. Alright, well, thanks a lot, and it's Corey Barron from OverNight Software Developers. Like and subscribe.